So who's going to ride the drag bike? Anyone? Drag racing is a head-to-head, quarter-mile, straight line, all-out sprint to the finish. The faster the better, and the winner takes all.
It's a whole shot win.
The sheer power and beauty of these machines is jaw-dropping. But this is professional racing, and we're a custom bike shop. We're not interested in rules or winning championships. We just want to build a fire-breathing monster with 200 horsepower, air shift and a massive rear tyre. With the help of some friends and a very good cause, we have done it. Well, when I say we, I mean my dad, Simon. He has built the bike from the ground up, and there's only one more thing left to do before we auction it off for charity. And we have all decided that my dad should ride it.
It's race day, race fans. Welcome to Santa Pod Raceway. We have some very special guests with us this weekend. The boys at Mint Customs have built their very own drag racing machine, and they are here to test it for the very first time. We have Sam Parry in the commentary box with us. Sam, can you tell us more about this project?
Hey man, for the last 2 months we have been building this bike. Everyone is here today to see this bike in action. A huge shout out to all of our sponsors. After this event, the bike is going to be auctioned off and all the money is going to Noah's Ark Children's Hospice.
We are all hoping it will raise a lot of money at auction, and we are also hoping the rain is going to hold off so we can see this bike in action.
It is not looking good at all. The boys are going to be absolutely gutted.
Okay, the organizers have officially canceled the meeting.
We live to fight another day.
We will, yeah. Next weekend.
Absolutely.
29th is the next
Let's do
one.
it.
Yeah, we'll do it, yeah. We'll do it. And I got right in the zone as well. Got right in the zone. Shit happens.
Better luck next time, Mint Customs.
I was absolutely gutted that we couldn't get out. But I did have another week to do a couple of little tweaks on the bike, a couple of tweaks with the air shift.
A slight van modification.
We loaded up, sun was shining, we got to track, we got an even better spot of track, which meant where we lined up to get on was a lot shorter. We were right behind the grandstand.
We are back and ready to race.
Rolled down for the first run, and the guy at the front waved me through and said, "Do you want to go out on your own?"
Simon at Mint Customs rolls up to the starting line.
So I lined up, I did my burnout. The bike was completely untested. I've never launched it. We hadn't done more than 20 mile an hour on it.
I think the English phrase is, he's bricking it. Is that right, Sam?
Yeah, he is definitely bricking it. Serves him right for building a drag bike.
He has learned the Prime Minister's name just in case they ask him in the hospital.
Rolled into stage, watched for my stage lights. I had my thumb hovering over the button and the clutch and absolutely pinned it.
It's go, go, go!
At which point the bike went sideways. Got it back into the pits. I was kind of okay and a bit apprehensive about doing the next run. I thought I'm definitely on for a 10 something. I need to get a 10. I need to get a 10 second something. The times didn't get much better until the 5th run.
My dad's lining up for another run. He told me he really wants a 10-second time, but he's running out of daylight.
time set by the Mint Boys.
And the 5th run I managed an 11.008. 130 mile an hour. As it was, we'd built it with a stock R1 engine in it, so I couldn't ask any more out of the bike. The bike was excellent. Chassis at the end, I knew exactly how to ride it. So even with fighting it where it was, I was more than happy with the bike. The bike is phenomenal.
I've broke the 11, have I? No, you're still 11.02 so close.
Great day. Couldn't have had a better day. The people around us, the support we had from one facility, the support we had from Drainworx, HM Quickshifter, everybody that was there, everybody was there, had a really, really good day. It was an excellent day out. Weather was brilliant. Can't fault it. One of the best days I've had racing motorbikes this year.
Only this year? What's next?
Well, we've got the builds that are on the go at the moment to do, but secretly there might be something in the mix.
The faster drag bike.
Yeah. We'll let you know and we'll keep you posted when the auction's going to happen, but until then it's going to the bike shed in Shoreditch.